Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be destroying Windows 7 with command prompt, but at first we need to install it, so I'ma just speed this part up here, so yeah. Alright guys, we are in. Alright, so we are in currently into Windows. The first thing we need to do is we need to actually renew text document and do edit. Now we will do MSG, or no, hang on guys, I need to move my mic. It's very annoying moving my mic. Why is the There we go. So I'm gonna type in echo off, then echo this will kill your PC. This will kill your PC. Press Y to kill PC. And I'm gonna do RDC/R/S, I think. Enter. Click Y to fry your PC. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is alright, so now that we have done that, we are going to so now we're gonna do file save as, we'll save that to desktop, and call this virus dot bat. We need to do that dot virus. We'll call it virus.bat, and we'll do all files. Save. So there's our virus.bat right there. We can throw out this text document now. Now I'm gonna open MS Paint. So accessories, MS Paint, and we're just gonna make an icon. Okay, it's loading. Just making sure. There we are. So now we are in Paint. So we will do Home. Where's the colors? There it is. So what we need to do is we're just going to make a black background. And then do colors, red, brushes, we'll do that, and just do. That. And then we will do save to desktop, and we'll just call that error. Why is this cable having to be on my keyboard? Oh god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. My mic is really just not in the right position today. I do not know why. Alright, so there's our icons. Now I'm gonna make a new folder. Call this do not delete. Do not delete. And then we'll throw in our error thing. And virus.bat. And then we'll open this, right click the virus, and click on not rename, I need to right click this, and do create shortcut. So there's virus shortcut. Now I can put virus shortcut on the desktop. There it is. And then I can right click virus shortcut. Go to properties, go to, let's see, shortcut, change icon, and then we'll do browse, desktop, do not delete, and all files, and then we'll select error. Open, and do OK, apply, and now it should be changed. Or it can just be empty. Actually, we'll make it a power button icon. What's like the most scary thing? Oh, here it is. Open, apply. There we go. So now that we have that, we will right click and run as administrator. Oh, hang on, edit. I have to remove this line of code right here. There we go. And do save as. I forgot that I had to do that. Save as, desktop, and then go down to do not delete. Save virus right there. There we go. That's not, why is it not working? Already, that should be working, I'm confused. Accessories, command prompt, RD, C, this thing, /R/S. Invalid switch. Huh? Is it S/R? Or, okay, S/R, that's the problem. Let me go back to do not delete. Right click this, edit. R, that needs to be S/R. Save as. All files, and then replace that. There we go. Now run as administrator. There we go. Echo off. This will kill your PC. Smiley face. Press Y to kill PC. And here we go, it's deleting all the files of System32. And as soon as you run the malware, your machine is already screwed, so there's no option to cancel it out. Your machine's already screwed if you did this. As you can see, it's very laggy. Before the machine is completely screwed, I'm gonna eject the CD so it has no other option to repair. You can see that these gigabytes are going down because we're getting more space. You can see there is a lot less stuff here now than there used to be. And as you can see, it's not running the best. Let's just try to change some themes in the meantime while it's like kind of running. Alright, we'll just go back to Windows 7. There we go, it's still active. The process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. /R, are you sure? Alright, I think I did something wrong again. And I need to do maybe /Y? Let's see if that works. I did not remember the 2 dashes that's supposed to be there. Okay, let's try that then, because otherwise it would have said that. Alright, just save this virus to desktop. Save as virus. Save. And then we'll close that, and we'll call rename. Instead of shortcut, this needs to be changed to .exe. Virus.exe. There it is. Now I'm gonna run virus.exe, this will kill your PC, blah blah blah. And we will just run. Huh. Oh. The item virus stuff that the shortcut refers to has been changed or moved, so the shortcut will no longer work properly. Do you want to delete the shortcut? No. Okay, so something really bad just happened. All of the files that were just in that folder just got deleted. Yeah, that shortcut's gone. Huh. Well, I guess we have to destroy this manually. We cannot do an automatic kill. Alright. We'll just do del asterisk and Y. So that's deleting a lot of stuff in System32 right now. Deleted, 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 deleted. Yeah. Access is denied, access is denied, access is denied. Oh, really? Alright. Let's try to just do right-click, run as administrator. We'll just do CD and then see this thing flash. Okay. Now we'll just do del asterisk Y. That just wiped the whole C drive. Right? Nope. Alright. Let's see here what else I can do we'll do RD save this thing slash valid switch RDC this thing slash S because slash S nope RDC rdc slash s. There we go. That's how you do it. S/S. Oh, it's still. Yep, that's destroying the whole operating system now. Look how much stuff is being deleted. Let's just try to keep using the operating system while everything's gone now. Look at that. It just says empty. Okay. Whoa! Yeah, we destroyed the virtual machine now. Can I? Well, program. There's a 4th folder here. Not a lot of stuff is working suddenly. How's this going? Still deleting stuff in the background. Maybe control panel. Can I access that? Everything's gone out of control panel. Personalize. Oh. Let's try to change the theme. Did it change? Okay, it's still working. Beams are still working, okay. Alright, fans are still working, so we're able to change some stuff still. Help and support. Yep, okay, so... find an answer quickly. Okay, let's just do how to remove virus. How to remove virus. Getting help contact. How do I best for the results? How to remove virus. How do I remove a virus? How can I tell if my computer has a virus? Troubleshoot problems removing updates. Viruses frequently asked questions. Okay, so broken. You can see that we're losing drivers. All this stuff is just being deleted. I still do not. I have to manually open command prompt. C/users to wherever man play /desktop refers to a location that is unavailable. It could be a hard drive of this computer or on a network. Check to make sure that the disk is properly inserted or you are connected to the internet. Your network is then try again. Okay. You can see it's still running right here. We're in Windows 11 right now. We'll just minimize that and go back to the operating system virtual machine here. I'll throw that out. Wow, the trash can's broken. Look at that. Move to recycle it. Properties. Okay. It's not letting me delete this. It's like that's not working anymore. Everything's out of here. Control panel. That's still functioning a little bit. Let's see if I can get to my computer. Okay, we're in. User, we'll try what? Users. This folder's empty. Wait, so we're logged in on a user that doesn't even exist anymore? Wait, so what happens if we log off then? Let's try to create a folder in. Okay, yeah. So we are currently trapped now. So let me see. New folder. What happens if I create a new folder? Desk. This could be bad. Top. Okay. This folder's empty. And if I back out of it, will it delete that? Okay. Is this protected? Desktop shows the files, folders, programs, and shortcuts on. Make sure you want to delete this. Yes. Okay, so well, the recycle bin functions after I put the desktop file back on, but we are on a different user that does not exist anymore technically because, yeah. This is just This is awful. Everything's gone. I'm tempted to close this window and try to log off. Should we do it, guys? Screw it. Log off. Oh, why do we have a blink? It just changed into a blinking cursor. Because I cannot find the file. Okay, I think we need to. Oh wait. It doesn't have an icon. I'm gonna try to log back in. Welcome. I was not expecting that to even work. I was about to restart. We logged back in successfully on a virtual on an account that doesn't even exist. Well, I mean, other than the shortcuts being gone, desktop is back. The folder desktop is back. So if I create a new folder here, we'll just do new folder. Do desktop. Okay, so that's functioning again. That's the only reason how we got back, is because for some reason Windows automatically created a folder. So now, because there's no folders anymore, I have to do Windows R and do CMD. I need to run that as administrator. Windows R, CMD, admin. There we go. So I'm running it as administrator now. As you can see, Windows / System 32. So now it's running as administrator. So I'm gonna do RDC this thing /S/S, and then we'll do Y. That was bad. Make sure you want to continue. Yes. The system cannot find a specified file. Let's try to do that again. RDC this thing /S. Invalid switch /S. Okay. /S/S. Yes. No, I do not want to continue. Let's just do RDC. The process cannot be accessed. Can I do directory? There's nothing left. Alright. Task kill /I'm explorer.exe. Boom! Shut down Windows. We're not doing that. Alright. Next thing I want to do, that can shut up. I'm gonna access Windows. So the virtual machine's still functioning. There's File Explorer. We need to open Reddit. And I think it's in high class users, maybe local machine. Oh, right, local machine, software. Sonic, policies, Microsoft. Windows NT, current version. Okay. Now, is there shell? Let me see, installation type, edition ID, modify. We'll do error. Okay, edition ID error. Now, if I try to properties my computer, okay, Windows 7 Professional, but I just modified the ID to say error, installation type, installation type, error. We'll just replace every install date. We're just gonna destroy everything. Path name. we need to destroy all of Windows. So we'll do c/g users. Path name. Okay. Product name. Errors. System. Type. Not found. Okay. Now if I try to go to my computer. Windows 7 Professional, okay. Software type. System. We'll just call that poop. Software Incorporated. System root. C/Windows. We'll do C/users. So we're basically destroying the full machine. Registered owner to learn plays. We'll change that to Windows 7 and Windows 7 VM. We'll just call it Windows 7 VM, which means it's a Windows 7 VM. Registered organization. Poopy head. Registered organization. Poopy head. Current type. Okay. Default value not set. I don't know what that just did, but that's fine. Build lab. Build facts. Build lab. I know what to do. Modify build lab. Windows 10. Let's change that to 10. Let's see what happens. Windows 10. Okay, now this machine does somehow boot back up, which I have a very low hope that it will. I mean, after what we did with command prompt and everything, it's probably dead. Product ID. Oh my god! Product ID error. Installation date, I entered that already. Error. Product digital. We'll just delete half of its code right there. Okay. So everything was changed to zeros instead of ones. I don't know what happened here, some corruption, but we will delete all that, so okay. There's only one more code of line right here. We'll delete all the dots too. Bingo. Okay, value. 0 length binary value, and we'll do the same thing right here. Nice. Alright. So we will now, with that, let me see, where's File Explorer? I thought it was in Windows, like, current version. Windows X, wait, no, stop. How about that? Value not set, that's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this. Terminal Service Client. So Windows 7 is still kind of functioning. I can feel my mouse cursor lagging a little bit. It's dead. Okay, software. Okay, maybe it's in system. Oh, probably in system. Software. There we go. Okay, so we're just gonna close that. Oh. Okay, so I'm no longer able to scroll. I can feel my mouse cursor way more laggy. That's all just gone now. Let's see what this says. Okay. Product ID error. So it does not know what the product ID is anymore. It just says product ID error. It is using my CPU. We have 1 gig of RAM in this, 32-bit. Okay. This just, it's saying professional still, but... Oh. Log off. Let's see if I can get back into Windows or if it's dead now. I might still have a chance of logging back in, but stuff is about to break. Because it's no longer confined to Windows folder, so we might just be stuck on the... Oh, dude! I was not expecting it to just become this darkness. Can I still do personalize? Okay, but if I try to load default... Okay, so it will automatically set the background back to black every time I restart, which is hilarious. Let me see if I can do some more damage here. So I'm gonna keep trying to use this virtual machine as long as I can. File Explorer, Notepad, Registry Editor. Okay. I do not know why it's off center. I think something literally... Okay, there we go. File, we'll just do... I can't even see the whole editor anymore. That's like straight up broken now. Wow, I cannot do anything now. We're stuck in this folder. Okay. Delete. We'll just... Okay. What happens if I just... Boop. Alright. Registry editors is junk. Properties. Security. Let me see if I can take ownership. Advanced. Owner. We'll make that current. Edit. Yes. Apply. Wait, what happened to the themes? Okay, so I should... Current owner, so I just took ownership of System 32. Let's see if I can delete System 32 after taking ownership. You can see that, like, the theme is, with some programs now, is set to classic. That's something that's kind of interesting. And I think we broke it. Cancel. We'll just leave that running in the background, just a whole bunch of junk. Alright, let's see if I can delete any of this stuff right here. Right click, delete. Anything at all. Alright, we'll just let that run in the background there. The one recycling, we'll check that. That's still doing stuff. Computer. Okay. Let me see if I can take ownership of program files. Properties. Oh. Don't need permission. Skip. Let me see if I can take ownership of this. Security. Click change to change permission. Advanced. We will change ownership. Permissions. Change permission. Yes. Okay. Permissions. I do not have any permission over this folder, so let me try. Effective. Alright, we'll try edit. And we'll take ownership of this folder. You've just taken ownership. Alright, so I just took an ownership of that folder. Now I should be able to just delete this. I should be able to delete. Alright, we are almost able to destroy Windows here. It's basically not letting me do anything, but I do have ownership. I don't know why it set ownership back here, but yeah, I think Windows is basically destroyed. So I guess what we need to do is restart the virtual machine. Windows 7, shut it down. Duh. Okay. Starting Windows. We might just get the repair screen from here. Oh! Oh well, we deleted the boot manager. Windows failed to start a recent hardware or software change might be the cause. To fix the problem, insert your Windows installation disk and choose your language, and then click Next. Click Repair your computer. If you do not have a disk, contact your system administrator or computer manufacturer for assistance. Stats, whatever that error code is. Info: the boot selection failed because a required device is inaccessible. Enter to continue. Starting Windows. I might see if I can load this thing in safe mode. Okay. Hold down F8. Okay, repair your computer. Let me try to load it into safe mode. Okay, it is trying to load it now, but we might get an error here in a second. Yep. Alright, press F8 again. I just want to try to load anything at this point. Let me try repair your computer. And we'll just shut it down. Alright. Oh wait, I clicked on exit. And yep. Well guys, I think we're gonna end it off here. Like and subscribe. Bye!